What's good, chumps? Welcome back to another video. Y'all see the title. Tune in. I got y'all with the best beetroot smoothie I've ever made in my life. I don't even like beetroot. I never did. I don't even think I ate that shit before. But the smoothie, tune in, bro. I got y'all. This shit about to work wonders for y'all. It tastes good. It helps with your mood. When I drank it, it put me in a better mood for the rest of the day. It gives you energy. It gets your blood flowing. It helps sexually because the blood is going to flow all throughout your body, including your dick. You know what I'm saying? For the guys. Girls could drink this too. But trust me when I tell you, this is the best smoothie I ever made. The healthiest smoothie I ever made. So tune in, y'all. I got y'all. Smash the like button. Smash the subscribe button. Let me know what other videos you want to see. I got y'all. Let's get it. Swag. Yo. Before we even start, you have to make sure you have this. Because if you don't have this, you're fucked. You can't make the smoothie. And I don't want y'all to miss out. So make sure you got the blender and the little cup for the blender. I have all the ingredients laid out already, so I'm going to just go through it how I usually do. First, I got to plug this in. Gotta be careful. I don't want to make no noise. People upstairs sleeping. Alright, it's plugged up. First ingredient, milk. Milk, my nigga. You can use soy milk, almond milk, oat milk, whatever milk you want, bro. Just make sure that shit healthy. Not no sweet milk or nothing like that, bro. You don't gotta put too much, bro. This is a good amount. You feel me? Next ingredient. Banana. The whole banana. The whole thing. The entire thing. Another note, if you want to make your smoothie like more like you could eat it with a spoon type shit, put ice in it. That's gonna help. But if you just want to drink it, then just don't put no ice in it. The whole banana. Just like this. The next ingredient. Remember I told y'all I got a secret ingredient for y'all. Stay tuned. You've probably seen it before. But the next ingredient, can y'all see? Blueberries. Look. Blueberries, my nigga. And another thing, bro. If you don't wash your fruits before you eat them, like the berries and shit, I consider you a dirty nigga. You dirty as fuck. You nasty. Make sure you wash your fruits, bro. Strawberries, blueberries, whatever, my nigga. Even if you eating an apple, wash the apple, bro. Don't be dirty. A little handful. You don't gotta put too much. Don't put too little. A little handful. As you can see, got a little handful. That's all you need. Drop it in there. Simple. Put that to the side. Next ingredient. Raspberries. Them shits rock. You could put like blackberries, strawberries. I don't have none, so. But I'm just working with what I got right now. Raspberries. Same thing with the blueberries. Just a little handful. Nothing too crazy. I washed these just now, so. You're good. Next ingredient. Now we getting there. We getting there. Next ingredient. Hold on. I gotta open it. My fault. How do you open this? Alright, bro. Next ingredient is spinach. I'm gonna come back when I open this shit because right now I'm panicking. I'm in panic mode. So I'll be right back. Alright. That shit took me like 3 minutes to open. I'm not gonna lie. We got spinach though. I don't want y'all to see the other ingredients, but we got the spinach. That shit is very good for you. Spinach is very good for you. Look up the benefits, because I don't got time to tell y'all. I just heard some shit. I'm not on no haunting shit. This shit is not haunted. But I just heard some shit. Little handful. Nothing too crazy. You don't want your shit to be too green. Stuff it in there. Just stuff it. It's how it looks so far. It look nasty? Just watch. Next ingredient. This is optional. This is very optional. Bro, all of this is optional. Is if you want to do it. I'm just recommending it. Feel me? But I recommend getting regular oats, but I don't have regular oats right now, so I'm working with these. Apple cinnamon oatmeal. That shit about to rock. Watch. Just use the oats. You don't gotta cook up the oatmeal or nothing like that. Don't be dumb. Just the regular oats. Not too much. Just a little bit, not too much. I just spilled some, but you got the oats. You can push it down a little bit. My fault. I'm gonna show y'all. Push it down a little bit so you can make room for more ingredients. Next ingredient. Got a spoon right here. Peanut butter. Skippy. It don't matter what brand you use. I don't know if y'all use Jif. I use Skippy. But peanut butter. If you know, you know. For the gym guys that's watching this, y'all already know. What put. I'm stuttering, my fault. I'm nervous. I'm not nervous, but peanut butter does wonders for your body. If you know, you know. So add some peanut butter. Get all of that in there. A little more, just a little more. That shit good. Damn, this shit thick. Alright. Next ingredient. This is the grand ingredient. This is the most important ingredient. I'm gonna go get it right now. I got you. Just read it. Beetroot powder. I just got put on to this by like, by like TikTok and shit. TikTok put me on to this. The beetroot powder, bro. This shit, I'm not gonna lie, look, right? Quick story time. I didn't know like you could put it in a smoothie and shit. Like I wasn't really in tune. But I drank that shit, like I mixed it with water. Oh, that shit was nasty. Oh my God, yo, I wanted to throw up and kill myself at the same time. That shit was disgusting. But you gotta put this with the smoothie. Watch. Don't put too much, but don't put too little. I'm about to show y'all. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get it out, my fault. Look. Hold on. Not too much, but not too little. Alright? So you going. Simple. See how it's in there? You see the color? Yeah. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Literally just a little bit. Just a little bit, bro. Not too much. And now, this is your smoothie. Like I said, you could throw some ice in it if you want it to be more thick, but I like to drink the shit. Now comes the grand finale. Feel me? Take y'all with me right here. Hold on. Move some shit around. Let me show y'all. Alright, right here is good. So you gotta make sure it's tight. If it's not tight, your shit gonna spill. It's gonna be everywhere. Safety. Make sure it's tight. Y'all see how I look? Now you make sure it locks. Hear that little click? God help me, don't wake nobody up. Alright, easy money. Yep. Easy money. Easy money. Now, the grand finale, the taste test. I promise y'all it's good. I promise y'all. Ready? 3, 2, One. This shit is rocking. This shit rocking, bro. I told y'all, bro. I told y'all. Man, oh man, I'm goated. I don't know if anybody came up with this before me, but shit, when I got put onto the beetroot powder, I just put all these ingredients in there, and that shit was rocking. So I'm gonna call this my little recipe. You feel what I'm saying? Like I said, you could change it up. You could put some mangoes in that shit. You could put mashed. I have some mangoes, but I forgot to put that shit in there. But you could put anything, any fruits, any good fruits that you think is good. Add it with the beetroot, but put peanut butter, bro, because you don't want to just taste the beetroot. That shit gonna taste nasty. I'm telling you. So shit is good, bro. Keep showing y'all. See the color? Look at the color, bro. Look at that. You can see all the berries in there and shit. It's okay. That shit bussin'. Promise y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. Make sure y'all smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. Let me know what other videos you want to see. I got y'all. I love y'all. See y'all in the next video. Remember, you could do anything, you could achieve anything if you work hard and believe in yourself. Grow.